karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Citizen ProMaster Tough men's watch. So guys, for your reference, the model number of this watch is CA0727-12e. And guys, while I'm taking it out of the box, I would like to tell you the MRP of this watch is 550 American dollars. I got it in an offer. I paid about 238 American dollars including taxes. And guys, I got it from K's outlet in Las Vegas. Okay, so now let us take it out of the box. So guys, here it is, Citizen Tough men's watch. Okay, so let us take it out. Okay, so guys, the case size of this watch is about 44 and the case is stainless steel plated with black iron. Okay, and it also has been processed with Citizen's Duratec surface coating, so which makes this case very strong. So the company claims it is about 5 times more stronger than stainless steel. So let me open the band for you. Okay, so here it is. So you can see it has a fixed bezel and it has a chronograph, 24-hour format, time and the date is at 3 o'clock position. So this is how it looks from the back with that ecodrive marking on the back. So guys, the band of this watch is made from very tough ballistic nylon. Okay, so and it is camouflage finish, so which kind of gives this watch a very rugged look. So guys, this watch, it comes with a sapphire crystal glass. Okay, so you can see it is very clear, no reflection whatsoever, and it offers water resistance up to 200 meters. Okay, and guys, this watch is powered by Citizen ecodrive technology. And guys, before we end this video, I will wear this watch on my wrist so that you can have an idea how it will look on your wrist. So here is my Casio G-Shock. I'll take it off and I'm going to wear this. So here it is. So guys, the fit of this watch is very comfortable, and I will also share the buy link of this watch in the video description. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.